The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. I'm a sort for people. Bro God, I want to put on early curfew by 1 o'clock for Valentine days. Cause I'm me alone as a man want to put on Valentine days early by 1 o'clock. Cause we have the money and most of we have a woman. If we carry the woman then go out for Valentine days and treat them. I ask you, please, bro God, put on a early curfew. I don't know if I could put it on either with a 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the person that is seeing the video that I just presented to you viewers and subscribers, I am not sure what exactly he's trying to say. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because when he said day, it sounded like he said days to me. You know, so I'm not sure if he's talking 1 day or more than 1 day. But however, I'm going to tell you what I think. I think that he's asking the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Mr. Holness, to put an earlier curfew on Valentine Day or Valentine days. Yes, so I say, alright, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, he went on to explain somewhat of a reason why he said what he said, you see me, and so on. You know, I'm not even going to get into too much of that details, you see me. Yeah, you can let me know what you think about that video. That video is being talked about on social media, alright? Yeah, big up the person showing in the video, you see me I say? Alright, so I'm going to move on to a topic that is being talked about within the country of Jamaica and possibly out there in the world as well. You understand me? I saw a news report and I also read news articles about something that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that work was suspended on the Southern Coastal Highway project that's happening within the country of Jamaica because of threats from alleged extortionists. You see me? One of the news articles that I read was published on the 10th of February the year 2021, and according to some things that had been said in that news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that work was suspended over the weekend, that was before the 10th of February the year 2021, on the Southern Coastal Highway project because of threats from alleged extortionists. You see me? It is said that members of the National Work Agency from within the country of Jamaica stopped working for more than 3 days because of threats from alleged extortionists. You see me? The road project is being implemented in sections of St. Andrew, St. Thomas and Portland. And according to some things that I saw and heard in a news report, it is said that 2 men handed a letter to a project manager at gunpoint. You see me? And I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some things that have been said in the news report that I saw about the letter that's said to have been handed to a project manager. You see me? It is said that the letter pointed out that alleged extortionists are asking for $100,000 every 2 weeks. Yeah, every 2 weeks, according to what the news said, the letter said. And it is said that the letter pointed out that if they don't get what they asked for, then they threatened to kill persons. You see me? Other things had been said in the news report that I saw about the letter. You see me? And it is also said that work resumed or work continued, and it is said that the whole issue or the whole matter had been put into the hands of the police. It is said that the police are working with persons who are working on the road project to make sure that they are safe and to protect them, and other things have been said as well, viewers and subscribers, you know. And you know, here's where I'm going to leave it. You know, you don't know me only there, so I have to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And with that, I'm going to move on to a video The video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows when many persons from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago protested in front of a place that is known as the Red House. You see me? I'm not sure if there's another name for the place. You see me? However, according to some things that have been said about the video on social media, it is said that many persons within Trinidad and Tobago protested against crime and violence within Trinidad and Tobago and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, it is said that persons had been arrested, and to my knowledge, I saw more than 3 videos that shows when persons protested in front of the place that is known as the Red House, isn't it? According to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video had been recorded within the month of February, the year 2021. You see me? I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video. Now, viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
No, what happened is that the police told us we are making them look bad.
I am telling you, I was at magistrate court right there, right across there, right across there. And that was an inside job done. I know that is an inside job.
I wonder if this government not feeling ashamed that it has so much people in front here protesting. That is it. That is it. This is what we said we are going to challenge. Notify the police. We cannot get permission. I asked the officer last week, so how are we to predict when somebody's going to die? And if we ask for permission, we have to wait till next year. What's going to take place then? About 10-15 of them die? No. Yeah, no, it can't be so. It's about time. This girl wake up this country, you know. That is it. That is it. And I've went through that twice. That is why I started here today. And I survived.
You're trying to go. You're trying to go.
Speaker have to go. Just imagine the speaker saying the woman's right and it's not important in this country. The speaker have to go. Have to go. Speaker have to go. Boo! 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 Speaker have to go. Speaker have to go. As a woman, she denied me rights in this country.
Everybody, send all of them.
A woman, and she denied me rights in this country.
But if it ever happened to she family, she finds herself.
Exactly.
Wouldn't come out and speak for their own women.
I created a women's group too. It's called Women Warriors of Trinidad and Tobago. I'm posting it on Facebook for people, you know, many people are suffering, women. And president is a woman. Where is the president? We don't want to see. Boo! 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 They should feel ashamed today.
And they walk
feel
in and
ashamed.
they're looking out like, you know?
Yeah.
No, because the amount of them people already is taxpayers' money, man. And what's my and that recent thing? What about the treasury? When they clear out the treasury? What about all that?
We right now we country bankrupt.
Exactly. And the bowling what? Jobs hard to get because they, what they make the country into people with good education out they can't get a good job. They have diploma, they have degree, they have bachelor's, all kind of things.
Give them a damn parlor to run the bus the parlor.
Imagine Trinidad so messed up. You ought to know somebody to get you that job.
Yeah.
Only Trinidad, you can say that.
What's that?
I've been behind this sign.
Just.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.